Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted you to get an idea of how I do an ombre lip look, and here you're going to actually see me do it from a matte ombre lip and take it into a glossy ombre lip. So I'm starting off with the BH liquid lipstick, and the first color is going to be called Glory, and I'm using this as my base color because it is a beautiful red. The formula is very lightweight, which is going to be great, especially if you're a beginner doing an ombre lip, because you have enough flexibility to actually build up the coverage and then apply a second or third liquid lipstick if you'd like. And here you can see this is what Glory looks like. It's a thin formula, so you are going to still see the pigmentation on my lips, but it's very beautiful. And just a side note, you guys, nobody ever told me about the Eco Tools Total Perfecting Blender. I got this thing for $3 and it's perfect for getting sharp lines around my lips. But back to the ombre lip. I am applying Glory a little bit more in the outer perimeter of my lips because I want to have more of a liquid base to work with when I apply the nude color in the center of my lips. And I'm going to be applying Clara. This is the nude from BH Cosmetics, and I'm applying that with my Sigma Beauty tapered blending brush because it gives me a precise blend that I need but still has that fluffy application to blend out really well. So just keep blending it out, and you see that I started off very lightly and I built up the color, and that was because I was going to take a third liquid lipstick, and I'm going to take this color called Muse. It's like a very light lavender, and I'm going to stick that right in between the nude color in the center and the red color in the outer perimeter of my lips because I wanted to have a little bit more dimension because I knew I was going to be adding the gloss. So I'm adding that right into the center and then blending it out. And then to finish it off, I'm going to take a little bit more of the red color just to soften up the edges. And once that's done, you guys really see that was really it. It's pretty much just like blending your eyeshadow. You just want to make sure you use complementary colors and then blend them all together. So now you have a matte ombre liquid lip. It's super fun. It's really going to be great for spring and summer, but if you aren't a matte liquid lip kind of girl, you can just top it off with a gloss and make sure that you don't smear it too much because you want the ombre look to still be there when you put the lip gloss on top of it. And here I'm using Maybelline Super Shine Shot lip gloss. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!